Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google account settings. And in today's video, I will show you how to change your Google account name without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, and until you get to Google right here, go ahead and hit on Google. Then proceed with your Google account. And click on Google account. Proceed with personal info. Go ahead and click on name. Then here you go. For you to change your name on your Google account, go ahead and click on here. So here you go. Next thing you want to do is to enter your first name, enter your last name. Once you are done, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Having entered your all new name, go ahead and hit on save. It's that simple. So this is how to change your Google account name without any stress. So for more tutorial about Google account settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.